My name is Toby Amoshon. I'm a software developer from Nigeria, and so over a year ago, I decided to gain some weight in my belly, my arms, my laps, and I needed to shed off those fat because they had defied exercise. I'd done lots of exercise, but it didn't get to reduce. So I figured out that liposuction could be a way to reduce this pockets of fat, and then I reached out to Dr. Rajat Gupta. So cost was a major deciding factor when I was choosing where to go for my procedure, and I figured out that the US would be very difficult to get a visa, one, and then also the cost would be very prohibitive. And India has one of the best healthcare in the world, from my research. So basically, I decided for India, and also decided for Rajat Gupta. It was a unanimous decision because every review was, full of praises of his great skills. The quality of healthcare here in India is really top notch. It's as good as anywhere else in the world. There is no compromise whatsoever. The hospital, nurses, the quality of anesthesia, everything was excellent, and there is no compromise whatsoever. So reaching out to Ski Innovations, the first person of contact was Rina, and she was quite knowledgeable herself. There was help every step of the way. All my questions were answered, even though at times it got a bit, it became as if I was a bit, overbearing due to the fact that I needed answers to all my questions, but all were answered. And then even while here, that's after the procedure, all my questions were answered. There were several follow-up visits to Dr. Rajat Gupta, and it's been a very excellent process. And then to my results. So my results have been better than I imagined. So I used to have a very big gut, and all of that is gone. My arms used to be really large, all of that is gone. Though I wanted, this really, really skinny arms, but then it helped to control my expectations, and I think the results I have are much better than I would have even wanted for myself. Okay, so cosmetic surgery is not vain. It's something that helps to boost my self-esteem, and I think it will help anybody that feels they could have a better body. It's a thing that everybody should experience at least once. It's been a very beautiful process. The only message I have to the team is just keep up the good work. It's been a very strong team, from the doctors, from Dr. Rajat Gupta to Dr. Priya to Rina. Everybody has been excellent. It's been a very strong team. Thank you for what you do.